Saram students, welcome back. Let us now continue with the revision of Geography lesson number 5, Major Domains of the Earth. Children, we have already revised about lithosphere and continents. Today, let us revise about hydrosphere and oceans. Now, let us begin with the revision. Let us revise the first topic, that is about hydrosphere. Children, we know that the earth, it is called as the blue planet. Can you tell why the earth is called as the blue planet? The earth is called as the blue planet because more than 71% of the earth is covered with water. And children, can you tell what percent of earth is covered with land? 29% of earth is covered with land. And children, what does hydrosphere consist? Hydrosphere consists of water in all its forms, as running water in oceans and rivers and in lakes, and as ice in glaciers, and underground water and the water vapor in atmosphere. All these comprise the hydrosphere. And children, how much of the earth's water is found in the oceans? More than 97% of the earth's water is found in the oceans. And why ocean waters are not fit for human use? It is because the ocean waters are too salty. So it is not fit for human use. And children, a large proportion of the rest of the water, it is in which form? It is in the form of ice sheets and glaciers or under the ground. And how much percentage is available as fresh water for human use? A very small percentage is available as fresh water for human use. Hence, despite the earth being a blue planet, we face a shortage of water. Now children, let us revise the next topic, that is about oceans. Children, what are the major part of hydrosphere? Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. And here we can see in the map that all the oceans, they are interconnected. And the ocean waters, they are always moving. Can you tell what are the three chief movements of ocean waters? The three chief movements of ocean waters are the waves, the tides and the ocean currents. And children, how many oceans are there? There are 5 major oceans. Can you name them? The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. And they are in order of their size. Now children, let us locate the oceans in the world map. Now children, let us locate the 5 major oceans on the world map. First, let us locate the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean, it is the largest ocean. Now, let us locate the Atlantic Ocean. Here we can see Atlantic Ocean and it is the second largest ocean in the world. Now, let us locate the Indian Ocean. Children, the Indian Ocean is the only ocean that is named after a country, that is India. Now let us locate Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean, it encircles the continent of Antarctica. Now let us locate the Arctic Ocean. Children, the Arctic Ocean, it is located within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. Now children, you can easily locate the 5 major oceans on the world map. Now let us revise about the Pacific Ocean. Children, which is the largest ocean? The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and it is spread over 1/3 of the earth. Children, what is Mariana Trench? Mariana Trench, it is the deepest part of the earth. And where does it lie? It lies in the Pacific Ocean. Children, we have already learnt and revised about Mariana Trench that lies in the Pacific Ocean. And children, What is the shape of the Pacific Ocean? The Pacific Ocean is almost circular in shape. And can you name the continents that surround it? Asia, Australia, North and South Americas, they surround the Pacific Ocean. Now let us revise about the Atlantic Ocean. Children, which is the second largest ocean in the world? The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. And what is the shape of the Atlantic Ocean? It is S-shaped. And what is there on the western side of the Atlantic Ocean? The Atlantic Ocean, it is flanked by the North and South Americas on the western side. And what is there on the eastern side of the Atlantic Ocean? Europe and Africa are there on the eastern side of the Atlantic Ocean. And children, how is the coastline of Atlantic Ocean? The coastline of Atlantic Ocean is highly indented. Children, here we can see in the map. And what does this indented coastline provide? This irregular and indented coastline provides ideal location for natural harbors and ports. Here we can see Belfast and Dublin. So, from the point of view of commerce, which is the busiest ocean? From the point of view of commerce, the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean. And children, can you tell which is the ocean that is named after a country? The Indian Ocean is the only ocean that is named after a country, that is India. And what is the shape of the Indian Ocean? The shape of the Indian Ocean is almost triangular. And here we can see that in the north, the Indian Ocean is bound by Asia. And in the west, it is bound by Africa. And in the east, it is bound by Australia. Children, can you tell which ocean encircles the continent of Antarctica? The Southern Ocean encircles the continent of Antarctica. And how does it extend? The Southern Ocean, it extends northward to 60 degrees south latitude. And children, where is the Arctic Ocean located? The Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle. And which pole does it surround? The Arctic Ocean, it surrounds the North Pole. Children, how is the Arctic Ocean connected with the Pacific Ocean? The Arctic Ocean, it is connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water. And what is it known as? It is known as Bering Strait. Children, what do you mean by strait? A strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two large water bodies like seas and oceans. And what is it bound by? The Arctic Ocean, it is bound by northern coasts of North America and Eurasia. Now children, let's have a quiz. Multiple choice questions. First one. Oceans are the major part of dash. A. Lithosphere. B. Hydrosphere. C. Atmosphere. What's the correct option? Correct. B. Hydrosphere. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. Second one. The dash is the only ocean named after a country. A. The Pacific Ocean. B. The Atlantic Ocean. C. The Indian Ocean. What's the correct answer? Correct. C. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country. Third one. The Arctic Ocean is connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as dash. A. Park Strait. B. Bering Strait. C. None of these. What's the correct option? Correct. B. Bering Strait. The Arctic Ocean is connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait. Fourth one. The coastline of dash is highly indented. A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Southern Ocean. What's the correct answer? Correct. A. Atlantic Ocean. The coastline of Atlantic Ocean is highly indented. Fifth one. The dash is the largest ocean. A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. What's the correct answer? Correct. A. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Sixth one. The dash encircles the continent of Antarctica and extends northward to 60 degrees south latitude. A. Indian Ocean. B. Arctic Ocean. C. Southern Ocean. What's the correct answer? Correct. C. Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean encircles the continent of Antarctica and extends northward to 60 degrees south latitude. Very good, children. Those who have guessed all the answers correctly. So children, today we have revised about hydrosphere and about the 5 major oceans. We shall revise more about this lesson in our next class. Till we meet again, goodbye children.